Do you guys know that out of all the newer AIIMS that were set up in our country, AIIMS Bhopal was the first AIIMS that got the recognition by NABH, that is National Accreditation Board of Healthcare and Hospitals. जी हाँ, seeing the well-developed infrastructure, patient care and the quality of clinical treatment, NABH recognized AIIMS Bhopal out of all the newer AIIMS. Welcome back to Medical 360, and today's video, as already discussed, AIIMS Bhopal is the topic. We will be discussing about the infrastructure, the patient load, the hospital services, the UG and the PG courses which are offered by AIIMS Bhopal, and the most important thing for all of you, the expected RE-NEET 2026 cutoff for the entry into AIIMS Bhopal. But before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to Medical 360, and also we are thankful to SRM University for sponsoring this video so that we can bring all the information and updates to you quickly. Okay, let us begin the video, but before we begin, do not forget that we have the counselors sitting to assist you, to help you at every point in order to make your journey to a medical college smoother and efficient. If you are facing any trouble in deciding the best medical college for you, if you are facing any trouble related to the counseling process, we have our counselors providing one-to-one counseling session to you. What you have to do is you have to send NEET on the WhatsApp number, or you have to call this number 8130-376-334, and you will be getting the best counselors assisting you for your entry into the best medical college. Also, we have the NEET College Predictor tool over here, by which you can check the most probable medical colleges which you will be getting based upon your RE-NEET 2026 course. Talking about AIIMS Bhopal in detail, it was established in the year 2013. It is considered as an institute of national importance. It has a campus size of 143 acres, a vast campus size. NIRF ranking is 25 currently, and the total number of students considering all the programs, UG programs, PG programs and the super specialty program is approximately 1300. Total number of male candidates is approximately 63%, and the total number of female candidates present inside the campus is approximately 37%. The total number of MBBS seats inside the campus available for your admission is 125. So this was the basic overview about AIIMS Bhopal. Talking about the institutional profile, if I talk about the number of faculty members, it is 257, and you had already discussed the total number of students inside the campus is approximately 1300. So if I see the student is to faculty ratio, it is somewhere around 5:1. That is, every single faculty is responsible for managing, interacting and engaging with at least 5 students, which is considered as a healthy faculties to student ratio. If I talk about the undergraduate students on roll, it is 625, and if I talk about the postgraduate students inside the roll, it is 674. Next, we have the data of the MBBS graduates and the postgraduates which have been delivered by the AIIMS Bhopal campus till date. The number of MBBS graduates is 950, and the number of postgraduates is 250. Next, we'll be talking about the hospital services in detail. Whenever we are talking about the hospital services, it matters a lot and is considered as a crucial factor in determining the type of medical college you should be entering. What you have to check is the number of beds, OPD, IPD services, number of major and the minor surgeries performed. In this way, you will get an idea of the clinical exposure which will be offered to you when you take admission into that particular college. Also, besides this, you can consider other factors such as the faculties to the student ratio, the number of students who have been engaged into the courses, and the number of doctors and the postgraduates which have been offered by the campus. So we are bringing the entire review about this campus in this video so that we can enlighten you with the best medical college for your best medical journey. Okay, so if I talk about, there are approximately 1200 plus beds, which includes the general and the private beds, integrated medical college, nursing colleges and hostels available, central library and research facilities. These are the things which are included in the infrastructure. You have 24/7 OPD services, IPD services, emergency and trauma care, ICU, medical, surgical, neonatal, super specialty departments are also available over here. Approximately 10.7 lakh OPD patients are seen per year. This is the clinical load or the OPD load, that is 10.7 lakh per year. That means 3000 patients visit the campus of AIIMS Bhopal every day. And the number of IPD patients is 58,762. That is per year. If I talk about the number of surgeries which are performed annually, it is 11,544 surgeries being performed every year, and 97% of the times the beds are occupied. despite. So you can clearly see 3,000 patients are visiting the OPD per day, and out of this, annually 58,762 patients are being administered inside the AIIMS Bhopal hospital. Okay. Next we have diagnostics. In diagnostics, if I talk about, they have the best facility for MRI, CT scan, digital X-rays, mammography, nuclear medicine, pathology and biochemistry labs. Emergency stat diagnostics support high OPD, IPD workload. Obviously, you know the load, that is 3,000 OPDs per day. If I talk about the digital health, they have electronic health records, telemedicine services, digital OPD registration is also available, paperless hospital initiatives, which is a very good thing. Okay, so these are some of the key points regarding the hospital services which are being offered by AIIMS Bhopal. Next, let us talk about the UG courses. In the UG courses, we have MBBS, BSc Nursing Honours, that is available only for girls, and the BSc Allied Health Sciences, which is available for both boys and girls. Let me tell you that in the case of BSc Allied Health Sciences, they are offering approximately 8 to 10 courses, which includes medical lab technology, medical radiology technology, next urology, next dialysis technology, we have radiotherapy, we have OTT, that is occupational therapy, operation theatre technology, etc., physiotherapy. There are so many versatile courses which are being offered in the Allied Health Sciences inside the Bhopal campus. Okay, duration for each of these courses, 5.5 years for MBBS, 4 years for nursing, and again 3 to 4 years generally for Allied Health Services. The admission for MBBS is taken by NEET UG program for 125 seats. Is taken by AIIMS BSc Nursing entrance examination, and the total number of seats available for nursing inside the AIIMS Bhopal campus is 90. And then we have BSc Allied Health Sciences, and the admission into this is taken by the BSc Paramedical Science entrance examination or Allied Health Sciences paramedical examination, and the total number of seats including all the 8 to 10 courses is 81. Next, we have the PG and the super specialty courses also available inside the campus. If I talk about the PG courses, we have MD, MS and MCH. The duration for MD and MS is 3 years, MCH also lasts for 3 years, and it is performed after MS or as per the NMC regulation, and the admission into these courses is taken by INI CET or INI SS examination, which are conducted by AIIMS itself. For the further master courses, we have MSc Nursing, that takes place for 2 years. Entry takes place by MSc Nursing entrance examination. We also have Masters in Hospital Management, which is offered by AIIMS Bhopal, rarely offered by any other AIIMS, as we have discussed, and the duration for this course is 2 years. And we have MSc Allied Health Science examination, that again takes place for 2 years, and the entry into these examinations takes place by the institute's entrance examination. And at last, we have the comparative analysis of what could be the expected cutoff for the RE-NEET 2026 for your entry or admission into AIIMS Bhopal. We have the safe score trend for 2024, we have the safe score trend for 2025, and on this basis we will be deciding what could be the expected safe score for RE-NEET 2026 for the open, OBC, EWS, SC and ST categories. Now, talking about the open category, the safe score for the year 2024 for AIIMS Bhopal was 705, the safe score for 2025 was 615, and the expected safe score for RE-NEET 2026 examination can be around 630 plus. Next, for the OBC and the EWS category, if I talk about the expected RE-NEET 2026 safe score, it could be around 620 plus for both the categories. If I talk about the safe score for OBC category, it was 700 plus for 2024 and 604 for 2025. And if I talk about the EWS category, it was 701 for 2024 and 597 for 2025. Next, we have the SC category. The safe score for the entry into AIIMS Bhopal for the year 2024 was 670. The safe score for the year 2025 was 564, and the safe score of 2026 examination could be around 580 plus. And next, we have ST category, 665 for 2024, 551 marks was the safe score for 2025, and somewhere around 570 marks could be the safe score for the entry into AIIMS Bhopal for the year 2026. So these are the expected safe score ranges for the RE-NEET 2026 for your entries into AIIMS Bhopal, depending on which category you belong. And at last, if you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to Medical 360. We'll be bringing all the updates and informations quickly. So stay tuned with the channel. Thank you for watching the video.